Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to find a car's battery. This will be an easy car tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now what you're looking at is the engine bay of a vehicle, and most of the time this is where the car battery is going to be located. Now sometimes the battery can be in the trunk of the car or hidden away somewhere underneath a panel sort of inside of the car, and that is very rare. So most of the time when you want to find a car's battery, you're going to pop the hood of the vehicle and you're going to look where the engine is. Okay, in most cases the engine is going to be at the front of the car. You pop the hood and you're going to look inside. Now I'm going to show you what to look for in order to find the battery. First and foremost, you want to look for some wires or wires that are contained within some sort of insulation or some sort of coil. Okay, so if you look over here, these are actually tubes. Okay, they're actually piping. It's actually piping over here for various things within the car. Okay, and these are not wires, so they're very different. Like when you see something like this, okay, this is actually for the air conditioner within the car, so that's piping, definitely different than wires. If you look over here, these are different types of piping as well, but then if you look right over here, you can see it looks a little bit different, and there's actually wires that are inside of this, like wire loom. So it's essentially inside of this conduit right here, and you're going to look for like a connector of some sort, and then you can actually follow those. You can follow those wires until they lead to something that looks like this right over here. And if you see something inside of the engine where there's all sorts of wires or wire conduit like this coming out of it, that's usually the battery. And then I'll tell you another thing that you can look for. If you take a look on the actual battery itself, you're going to look for two posts that things will connect to, that the wires will connect to. One is going to be red and usually labeled with a positive or a plus, and then the second is going to be just like sort of like a regular color. So not, it won't even be black, but I mean it's going to just be regular colored on the battery, and it's usually going to be labeled with a negative as well. Okay, but mainly you're going to see the red and the positive, and then the other one's going to be the negative. Even if it's not labeled, the other one's going to be the negative. That is going to be your battery, and at that point you can see, you can potentially diagnose any problem. So I can see that, you know, the negative on the battery is always connected to the ground. So anything that needs to be grounded, that's what the negative is connected to. So right here, that's going to go to a bare metal part of the frame of the car, or something bare metal on the car, and that's going to connect to that to ground it. And everything else that needs to be grounded can be connected to the negative side or can be connected to something else bare metal for the most part. And the positive is what's going to be providing power to everything else in the car. So on the positive, you're going to see a lot more wires coming out, okay? And you can see right here, these wires over here are actually headed into here, which I don't think I've opened this actually ever, but I've owned this vehicle for a few years. I haven't had the need to open it, but as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to just assume that this is the fuse box underneath here. So you're going to see a lot of the wires heading to the fuse box, and then in the fuse box, those wires will then go to all of the components. So they're going to go to the various features of the car and the various electrical components of the car. So what you're looking for is you're looking for wires that connect to something, and then that something you're going to look for a red and a positive side, and then the other side, which is going to be the negative side. Okay, and at that point, that's the battery. So this is the battery right here. You're also going to see it's probably going to be held down by something just like that. Okay, so that's like the strapping that holds it into place. And at that point, once you sort of see where the battery is, then you can diagnose problems, and then you can figure out, you know, let's say you think you need a new battery, you can maybe take a multimeter and try and figure out how to test it properly, which I've done a separate video on that too. So if you're interested in that, then just go and search for it. I'm sure you're going to come across my video if you look up how to test a car battery with a multimeter. But that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you and told you how to find a car's battery. I've gone over the simple steps, and I really hope that you've enjoyed it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.